Good morning everybody, and hearty welcome you all on behalf of NIMI Chennai. I am S. Sivarasu from NSTA Chennai. Today we are going to learn about radius gauges. First we will see the objectives of radius gauges. Number 1, state the features of radius gauges. Number 2, state the uses of radius gauges. For checking different kinds of profiles, they are using different kinds of instruments or gauges, radius gauges. In industry or workshop, components are machined to have curved formation on the edges or at the junction of two steps, especially concave and convex surfaces. Accordingly, they are called as radius and fillet gauges. The size of the radius is normally provided on a drawing. The gauges used to check the radius formed on the edges of diameters or radius, and the gauges used to check the fillets are called as fillet gauges. Radius gauges are used to check the internal and external radius of the workpieces. These gauges are made of high quality steel sheets and are finished to accurate radius. The radius of parts are checked by comparing the radius of the gauges. The radius gauges are available in sets of several blades held in a holder. Next, applications of radius gauges. Checking the corner radius of part being filled to shape. Checking a radius formed by a milling cutter or filed surface. Some sets have provisions to check the radius and fillet on each blade, and some sets have separate set of blades to check the radius and fillet. Each blade can be swung out of the holder separately and has its size engraved on it. The size of the radius is marked on individual blades of the gauges. Next, before using the radius gauge, what are the precautions to be observed? Number 1, check that it is clean and undamaged. Number 2, remove burrs from the workpiece. Number 3, select the leaf of the gauge from set corresponding to the radius to be checked. I hope you are all understood about features of radius gauges, different uses of radius gauges. Thank you all. We will see in the next video.